request our Honorable Principal Sir to deliver his valuable words. Sir, please come.
Good morning to one and all present here. First of all, on behalf of Aqsa National Academy, I would like to wish you all Happy Independence Day. Now I would like to warm welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest, Janab Mufti Mehbubul Alam Gurguiya Sahab, as well as our distinguished guest of honor, Dr. Tahmina Majumdar Madam, who were very kind enough to accept our invitation despite their busy schedule. So my dear students, please give a big round of applause to them. Thank you. So before we move forward, I would like to welcome to all the parents who have always supported us in spreading the light of knowledge. I would also like to welcome all the teachers, students and support staff who are an important part of this school. Finally, I would like to request everyone kindly cooperate with us throughout the program to make it successful. So my dear students, as you know that today we all have gathered here to celebrate the 76th Independence Day of our country. And this is very auspicious occasion for all of us. Since 1947, we are celebrating Independence Day every year with a lots of joy and happiness. This is the day for all of us to celebrate and honor our nation. This is the day to remember our sacrifices, freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Hussain Ahmad Moloni and many more, whose efforts gave us independence. They have devoted their entire life for the freedom of our country. They have struggled a lot for their future generations. So we should never forget their sacrifices towards our country. We should remember them on such a great occasion and salute them. So as we know that the British ruled in our country more or less 190 years. And during that period, Indian people has suffered so many problems. Even somewhere Indian people has no right to go to school for education. After all kind of sacrifices, India got independence from British rule on 15 August 1947. And since independence, our country has developed rapidly in the field of education, agriculture, science and technology, sports and many more fields. But after 75 years, our country has also faced some problems like terrorism, corruption, poverty, inequality, injustice. So let us all pledge to overcome this problem. So a great leader, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir has said that if a country is to be a corruption free and become a nation of beautiful mind, I strongly feel there are three key societal members who can make a difference. They are the father, the mother and the teacher. He did not say a politician, a businessman, a doctor or an engineer could give a beautiful mind to a nation. Instead, he was referring to a ideal teacher, ideal father, ideal mother. So once upon a time, during a visit to England, an Englishman asked to our great leader, Swami Vivekananda ji, who wore a traditional Indian clothes, Why not you wear good cloth? Why not you wear proper cloth to look like a gentleman? Swamiji's response was, perhaps in this country it is the tailor who makes a gentleman, but in our country it is the character who makes a gentleman. So that's why APJ Abdul Kalam sir has said that where there is a righteousness in the heart, there is a beauty in the character. And where there is a beauty in the character, there is a harmony in the whole. So, my dear parents, আমরা সবাই kindly try to give the moral education to our child. It is very important for build up the good character. Most of the school not focus on the moral education, but it was very important for our student, for our child. So I will in this occasion I will request to all the guardian, please give the moral education to the child, so that আমাদের ছাত্রছাত্রীরা একজন আদর্শবান মানুষ হয়ে গড়ে উঠতে পারবে। আমরা চেষ্টা করব আমাদের স্কুলের মধ্যে ইংরেজি, বিজ্ঞান, সায়েন্স বলেন আর এসএসটি, কম্পিউটার এইগুলি সাবজেক্টের সাথে সাথে যদি আমরা ওদেরকে মরাল স্টাডির উপর গুরুত্ব দিয়ে শিক্ষা দিতে পারি, মরাল স্টাডির উপরে, তাহলে আমি বিশ্বাস করি ছাত্রছাত্রীরা একজন আদর্শবান, ওরা যদি ডাক্তারও হয় একজন আদর্শবান ডাক্তার হবে, ওরা যদি ইঞ্জিনিয়ারও হয় একজন আদর্শবান ইঞ্জিনিয়ার হবে, ওরা যেই ফিল্ডে যাওক না কেন ওরা একজন আদর্শবান নাগরিক হয়ে গড়ে উঠতে পারবে। আর এটাই আমাদের গৌরব। একজন আমরা দেখতে পাই অনেক বড় বড় ইঞ্জিনিয়ার রয়েছেন, অনেক বড় বড় ডাক্তার রয়েছেন, কিন্তু ওনাদের মধ্যে এই মরাল এডুকেশন না থাকার কারণে ওনাদেরকে আমরা উনি অনেক বড় লেভেলে যাবার পরেও চিনতে পারি না। তাই আমি মনে করি আমরা প্রত্যেকজন গার্জেন তথা আমরা যারা শিক্ষকরা আছি, আমরা এই বিষয়ের উপর গুরুত্ব দেওয়া প্রয়োজন, যাতে আমাদের বাচ্চারা তাদের ক্যারেক্টার বিল্ড আপ করতে পারে পড়াশোনার সাথে সাথে। আমার বক্তৃতা দীর্ঘায়ু না করে I would like to end up my speech with a slogan. So before that I'd also request to all my dear students, please repeat with me. I stand for, everyone repeat with me, I stand for a clean India, a corruption free India, a poverty free India, a communalism free India, a casteism free India. Thank you. And with this I am going to end up my speech over here. And once again I wish you all happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.